Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Julia RTV, and this is my condition out here today. So how am I supposed to be the best gardener in New York State if I'm dealing with this in April? Like, why? I was supposed to be out here, dealing with this, trying to get that spread out. My mulch is under snow. I'm supposed to go out there and fix all that up over there. How am I supposed to garden? How? Like, I'm just astonished. And it's still snowing, It doesn't want to stop. So I'm trying to be a gardener and how can I? I can't plant anything in the snow. Come on. Can't you go somewhere else? Like, I'm tired of you. First day of spring, it snows. Like, I have my tools already, and why? Somebody help me, please. Does somebody need snow? Can you tell me, please? Like, I'll send it over to you. This is crazy. April 4th, why? Anyway, God knows what he's doing. Look at this. This is too much. All right, it's freezing out here. What will become of my garden? I don't know. Like, what will become of my garden? Like, supposedly garden. Father God. You want to leave your thoughts, you go ahead. Leave your thoughts. I don't know what to do. Like, how? Like, anyways, God bless you all. I hope you're warm where you are at, because it's really freezing out here. Talk to you soon. What will become of my garden? I have no idea. Bye, y'all.